Welcome, YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know who I am, allow me to introduce myself. My name is
Jason Too Nice.
And welcome to
Team Savage.
Don't.
You have the chance to move your butt, flip, flip, flatter. The way you move your bladder, the rhythm that don't go slow, it becomes on the flow. Yeah. Mama, guess what?
What?
J-Sound Too Nice just dropped another banger.
It's just up tonight. What's up, T7? It's your boy Sam tonight. It's who to the day's video. I got some special guests with me. God, bro, why you always do that, son?
What's going on, bro?
You childish, bro.
I ain't been on this in a long time.
Got my nigga Shoot, got my nigga B. Hey, look, listen. Today's video we'll be giving BP.
Joe Burrow.
We'll be giving BP the talk of the birds and the bees, if you know what I mean. But before we do that, I need y'all to oh, this is a Waffle House mukbang if y'all didn't know. I need y'all. God damn, son. I need y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can notify every time I post a new video. Also, leave a comment down below that you knew, and I will welcome you to Team Savage. What's up, B?
The business.
Alright, y'all ready to start eating soon?
Shit, I'm
No more
hungry.
interruptions.
Oh, 1 second.
Oh, God, see, Grace, my bad, damn. Amen. BP mama with the fetid. Oh,
About playing with Jesus, boy.
who?
You.
No.
So what's down, B? Talk to me about girls, B. How you feel about it, B? How you feel about losing that, bro? That's a big thing, B. Hey, boy, I got a hash brown bowl with some peppers.
How I feel about him? How I feel about him? Alright, straight up. Yeah. How I feel about girls? I love women, bro. I love them.
Right.
I love women. I just can't be in a relationship right now. They got too much. They got women all around the world. I know y'all talking about me settling down. Y'all asking me when I'm gonna start settling down. I have no idea.
B, ain't nothing wrong with settling down, bro.
Nothing wrong with it, bro.
Yeah.
I think you should settle down before you proceed into going into sexual intercourse, B.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm still a virgin, so that's a good thing. Remember I tweeted that about a long while ago.
Hey, bro, nothing wrong with it. Never wrong being a virgin,
Yeah. I'm 22.
Hold on, bro.
I'm
I'm
22.
doing it very quick. What's up?
bro. No wrong being a
I said doing a very facade.
Never wrong being a virgin, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I respect it because y'all talk to me all about that.
Facade real quick.
Whenever you're ready,
Yeah,
bro.
you're ready. I can't rush into it.
You plan on, like you think about it, like you plan on losing it every time.
Don't start from
Yeah.
there.
It's like, when I think about it, but let me tell you something, bro. I like older women. I don't know why, bro.
What's wrong with girls your age?
You're all about that. You're all about that cheddar.
You want me to
But
come by
I mean,
there?
all girls like that, but I mean, I see some older women got their own stuff. You know, they got their own car already. They ain't got nothing to worry about. Some of them live by themselves. They're independent. That's what I like in a woman.
All right, PG.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Girls nowadays, bro,
I
like,
just told you.
I'm gonna keep it G with you.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like hard. It's hard to like find that one true love, cause like most of these girls want to be hot nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Hot girls. So I mean, she knows she kind of lit,
That's right.
and that's what they got now. Pregnant girl winters.
I
Mm-hmm.
ain't telling you nothing, PG. I'm listening to you talk act the fool.
Yeah, it's not, man. You ever been in love before, bro?
Like in love and love.
Love. Uh-huh.
Yeah, bro.
Well,
But that person cheated on me, bro.
Yeah.
So like,
PG.
But,
like I put my all into that one person,
right.
and that person broke me.
That's,
You know what I'm saying?
And I don't want, and honestly, you don't want me to do the same. You don't want me to
PG
catch that
after
feeling.
this.
Yeah, no. Like you gotta make sure she the one. Like she not using you for nothing.
That's right.
And
I
all that.
don't want.
You feel me?
I don't want to hang up on you.
Right.
PG.
I just that man. They just got so much girls in the world.
I don't want to hang up on you.
Yeah, bro. We in Louisiana, bro.
Mm-hmm. I want to travel. I want to see different women.
You never experienced
No, but
You never experienced, like,
wouldn't.
all the every female yet, bro. You just
Right.
learn
You
like
wouldn't
females
worry
and
about
boys
that.
now.
Right.
You wouldn't worry about that all
But
morning, all day.
just take your time and make sure you find the one, bro.
There you go.
And whenever you're ready to do it,
Mm-hmm.
wear a extra small
Hello?
condom. Oh,
Yeah. Oh no, I can't talk about it on the YouTube video, but
Right,
no.
PJ.
TMI.
damn, son, you made me have a whole 4-minute conversation with this nigga, bro.
B, you see what I mean, bro?
Mm-hmm. That's
Take your time, man.
relationships. Yeah.
What you got?
But yeah, but as I learned from y'all, as I learned from y'all, like I always tell me, I know relationships ain't bad, because like you said,
It have its ups and downs. But y'all,
yeah,
y'all see more downs than ups. Well, y'all don't see. Y'all just see one side of it. Y'all don't see what's going behind closed doors, bro.
Yep.
I don't mean like that. I mean like,
Yeah.
Pause.
yeah. Y'all know what I mean. Hello?
Yep. I just don't know how
I just told you, PJ.
relationships. I can't do relationships right now, though. No, I just can't do it right now.
I told you, wait, PJ, wait.
So let me ask you this: you ready to lose like your
until
virginity?
I get back.
I mean, no. Am I ready? Am I ready now? Man, I gotta think about that because like some parties telling me yeah, but at the same some parties telling me no because
I had
like I
to help him with
said,
something
I
real
only take one time, even though with the condom on.
I had to help him
So
with
you
something
know
real
you know
quick.
which hole to stick it in?
Yeah, of course.
How you
Which
figure?
one?
Well, I'm gonna be that later.
I don't want to say the word.
You got two from the back.
Front, back. I don't want to say the rest.
Which one to sticking in from the back?
Wait, what?
Which one to sticking in from the back? Which one? You pointing to your back. Which one? Nigga? Which hole? The first one or the second one?
PJ,
Second.
Damn, you took your time with that.
Yeah.
You
I have to think about it.
like you didn't know.
same.
The first one is a you know what.
Yeah.
The second one is a yeah. Man, you good, son.
Yeah,
Yeah.
going through it, single.
Damn. I
The usual.
know. Yeah. Hey, I
Man,
might.
Son, it's not even planned. Son, it's just
Yeah.
happening on a regular basis.
I ain't gonna lie, but I should have got that chocolate Sprite by itself.
Chocolate Sprite smack. We
Man.
keep it you.
I mixed that thing.
So what you gotta tell me, bro?
She
Right,
can tell me all the time, just like you know,
I'll tell
whenever
him.
you're ready, you're ready.
Whenever you feel you ready, bro, just make sure it's the right female.
Yep.
Make sure it's a female that you're willing. This for all of the people that's watching it. Every time you decide to do that,
Right.
because they got little children that watch this too.
Right.
Every time you decide to do that, make sure it's with somebody
That you love.
that you would be willing to spend the rest of your life with. Because all it takes is one slip up. One.
That's all it really take. Yeah.
And you stuck with that person forever.
For the rest of your life. You feel me?
Yeah.
So think about it. Whenever y'all niggas going do, well, I don't know how old y'all is, but
Yeah.
whenever y'all gonna be going out and stuff that little one night, it's gonna seem cool, but let it slip up. You don't even know that person's name,
That's right.
none of that. And you get hit with that.
And another thing I learned a lesson from: don't let a woman control you. Please.
Hell, nothing wrong with that, dude. They got women that like to be in control, bro. You got control of women.
Controller.
Ain't the man supposed to be in control? I ain't talking Janet Jackson.
No, people, that's not how it works, dude.
Dude, what the hell?
Hey, but I'm busting this bull up.
Oh, yeah.
Man. If y'all ever think about proposing?
Who thinking about proposing?
I'm asking y'all, would y'all ever think about proposing like right now?
No.
I still got some growing to do,
Yeah.
growing up to do.
I'm saying I'm young right now, bro.
Yeah.
I'm 21.
I'm not even thinking about proposing.
Son, y'all know me, son.
I just can't see you proposing, period.
And I got a hurt knee, my nigga. How I'm supposed to propose, nigga?
I can't see this nigga on one knee like
For on
proposing
some
to
serious
somebody.
stuff.
But
I see it, bro.
yeah, I see it. Not right now.
I got some growing up to do, bro.
Yeah, I can't even see myself proposing. That lady has to be
I'm too
very, very
childish right
special.
now.
He's
Right.
Too childish right now.
You been childish.
That's what I'm saying. I said that's what I'm saying. I got some growing up to do
Yeah.
first.
I don't know why, bro. I just got that hair, bro. Every time I see a woman, she look good, but I just might just shoot my shots. So that's just me, bro.
Maybe you don't need a girl then, B.
But your problem is you don't know what you want.
One day you want a girl, one day you don't.
Exactly.
I like, bro. I really want to, but man, for like, what am I supposed to do?
Well, first off, what's the time stamp on this video, bro?
Like 10 minutes.
You about to be done with that bull already, bro.
That thing is gone.
I thought I was gonna be the first one to finish.
Shit.
That thing was rolling like a MOBIE.
I gotta move, bro.
But I guess. Y'all got anything else to say?
Man,
Shit.
I just want to say, look.
B, do you think you found the one to lose that with yet?
No,
At least you're being honest.
Yeah.
no, not at all.
Give it to somebody special.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie
Not
to
just
you.
any random girl.
Yeah,
There's nothing wrong with it neither, bro. You think something wrong with it? You think people gonna mess with you just because you're a virgin, bro?
I mean, I already got messed with it already. Oh man, you need to break that, bro. You gonna be 80 years old, still a virgin? Oh,
Shit.
but don't matter.
Me, you don't want to each other on the head at this point.
Yeah.
Why I'm not? And but so
Man. But as most of y'all lost y'all at a young age, so
I'm still a virgin.
me too.
Until I get married and then have sexual intercourse, I'm not a virgin.
Nah, I know what you
I
mean.
don't even know what a cat is.
They be having some by my house.
Oh, them ugly ass cats, ugly street cats. Yeah.
They them thing trying to attack me the other night, getting out the car. That thing trying to bite.
You better watch it, but the thing already got 9 lives.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna have to kill that thing like 10 times, bro. Just for it to be dead.
Yeah.
Thing gonna get up and start running. My body here.
I mean, hey, what the fuck?
You might as well shoot that with a shotgun.
Yeah, be basically just lose your shit when you're ready, bro.
Yeah, you ain't gotta.
No rush.
No rush. Ain't nothing wrong with it, bro.
No rush, bro.
I wish I would've waited. So I got married.
I would have waited like soon as like.
Yeah.
For me, it was like I was just in a rush because everybody else is like just losing that scene.
Me, I was just around older people.
People, yeah.
Just, everybody around me wasn't. Everybody was doing this, doing that. So I ain't had no choice but to do the same thing. I had a choice, but
So if y'all saying y'all can go back to it, you being y'all would.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna cap with your beer. I would. To a
But-
certain extent.
Now that shit, nah. Oh, Lord.
I just wait till I'm like high school,
Yeah. I'd wait till I was like in like
11th grade.
junior, senior. Yeah. Junior, senior.
Like on some prom night type
Yeah.
stuff. Something you remember like cool as hell.
Yeah, on a classic night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, this is in the video. We gave B the birds and the bees talk.
B, hold up before we end. What you learned, B?
Yeah,
From
what
this
you
video?
learned?
Oh, what I learned is that, man, please find the one that you really, I really think I should lose my virginity to.
One that you're willing to deal with for the rest of your life.
Right. Like I said, I might go through it. I might have fuss. I might argue. But the love's still there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and make sure she don't do it to you. Anyway, that's in
I'm a marriage trainer.
that's in the video. I need y'all to hit this video big like
You know.
Lord Jesus.
a big, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can notify every time I post a new video. If you want to see me do videos with these clowns again, make sure you let me know in the comments on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at JSAP2Nice. The same as my YouTube name.
Hey, but that Sprite strong, bro. I think got my eyes crying.
Bro, you need to get back on YouTube, bro. So you tripping.
Man, if y'all want to see me on YouTube, I need.
Anyway, yeah, share this video with your people and tell them you came watch JSAP2Nice. Do you got anything left to say?
Nah, that's about it. But I'm glad that y'all gave me some advice.
It's all love, bro.
And whenever I find the right girl, we'll see what happens.
Keep
Smash that thing, you
keep your ticket wicket protected at all times.
Yes, sir.
When you find the right girl, yeah, be smashed that thing.
Oh yeah.
Damn,
Take that thing to the king.
Oh
damn.
yeah.
Lord.
Damn, BD gonna kill her.
2 seconds up. But the most important is subscribe to Club Party. Keep saying comment what? 7. Don't love y'all.
Yeah.
Out below, look out below, look out below.